Hello guys, I am Mr. Moon and this is anime that needs next season desperately. Please note this is not in any particular order. Animes mentioned in this list is purely based upon my thoughts and which I have seen. If you have different opinion, make sure to comment below and let me know if I have missed anything. So let's get started. First on the list is High School of Dead. One of the thriller and pandemic based anime. Anime is mainly known for action and thriller scenes and lot of beautiful girls. High School of the Dead is set in the present day, beginning as the world is struck by the deadly pandemic that turns the humans into zombies. The story follows a group of high school students, a school nurse and a young girl as they fight their way to the safety through the deadly streets of Japan during the worldwide catastrophic event known as Outbreak. The plot in the anime mainly focuses on the survival scenes. They have epic survival scenes. Please watch this anime and I think this needs a second season desperately. Next on the list is Freezing. Another anime on the list which have a lot of girls. Anime shows a futuristic world where Earth is in the middle of war with extra-dimensional aliens called Novas. The military develops and trains Pandora, girls who are able to use special genetic tissues called stigmata to manifest superhuman fighting skills and weapons. Supporting the Pandoras are the male partners called as Limiters, who use special pacing power to limit their opponent's mobility. There is a girl who is known as Untouched Queen. She is the most powerful Pandora, but she doesn't have any male partner. Our protagonist, since was new in the military, he decided to be the limiter for the girl. There are a lot of epic battle scenes between Pandoras as a practice and against Novas. This one is already having a second season, but season ending was so epic it needs to have a next season. No Game No Life. The series focuses on two siblings named Sora and Shiro, a pair of gamers known as Alias Blank. One day they are summoned by God in a new world. The god has prohibited war and declared this would be the world where everything is decided by the games. The siblings must beat deities at 16 different games to surpass their authority. Anime shows pure epic scenes of like, and the best part is the strategies they use to win each and every game. I mean completely next level. Anime shows pure epic scenes of Alias Blank and the best part is the strategies they use to win the game. I mean those are just epics. According to them, nothing is done by chance, everything has to have some reason behind it. Hajime no Ippo. I have already given my view on this anime, one of my personal favorite sports anime. I am having just few words for this one. Epic boxing scenes. You can literally feel the punches. Every training and every effort they made in the anime is seen in the boxing matches. Ippo, our main character who gets well recognized in the boxing world. Every boxing match in this anime is directly or indirectly connected to Ippo. Hajime Ippo has total of 3 seasons. The last season was released in 2014 and after that manga has progressed a lot further. The anime is too epic, it needs to have a next season.
弾けないいつの間にか足が止まってたなんでなんだこのやつがさっきまでと全然違う
Nisekoi. This one is just pure love comedy based anime. It has lot of funny moments. From the start of the anime you will kill yourself from laughing. I mean everything in anime just ends up in a comedy. The story in the anime is a comedy. Boys and girls fight is a comedy. War is also a comedy. Just too much of comedy. As for the story, Nisekoi follows high school student Raku Ichijo, the son of Yakuza family called as Suigume, and Chitoge, the daughter of the boss in the rival gang known as Behave. 10 years ago, Raku made a secret promise with the girl he met. They promised one another that they will get married when they reunite after 10 years. To keep the promise, Raku kept the locket and girl kept the key. Well, from here onwards, any comedy begins. Apparently, Raku finds a girl with a key. Not a girl. Total of 3 girls. Oh yeah, that's pretty messed up. And now Raku has to find who is the actual promised girl. There are so many weird turn of events happens during this finding. It's just too much funny. Please watch it. It needs to have a next season.
とか言ったっけ？
はい。
よし、お前うちにお婿に来なさい。
Pandora's Heart. Anime has an epic storyline with lot of suspense. To tell you the truth, anime doesn't have anything in special. No awesome battle scenes, not too much of a comedy. just pure suspense story. There are a lot of hidden mysteries in the anime, from the main character's father, his background, the chains, the Alice's background and her memories, the dark past, just lot of it. For the story, a 15-year-old boy named Oz, who is heir to the Vesalius Duke house. Since his childhood, he has been hearing folk tales about dark world of abysses. But then one day, everything changes. When on his coming of the age ceremony, the infamous Baskerville clan interrupts and threatens him that they will throw him in the world of abyss. This is when he realizes his luxurious life will never be the same again, and now he will have to spend rest of his life fighting off against monsters called chains and other demonic creature that lurks in abyss. He is now forced to believe that his childhood folk tales is actually very real. After his entire life turns upside down, Oz starts to question the meaning of his existence. But then along the way he is accompanied by a chain called Alice, whose nickname is Bloodstained Black Rabbit. He also runs into the members of secret organization that goes by the name Pandora. And soon after exploring the depths of the abyss along with his newfound friends, things finally start making sense to him and his life gets a new meaning. Prison School. Hachimitsu Academy, one of the strictest girls' academies in the Tokyo, has decided to admit boys in their system. Kiyoshi is one of the new boys, but he discovers to his shock that he and his 4 friends are the only male members among the 1,000 girls. The law that are in place makes the school even worse, which punishes even the most minor infractions with a stay in the school prison. Boys decided to take a peek at the girls' bathroom area.
覗けバカお前声でけえよ何を覗くの女風呂だよいいのいいわけねえだろ
They were captured and arrested by the Underground Student Council. Causes the 5 boys to receive ultimatum: either stay a 1 month in school prison or be expelled from the school. They took the first option. From here on out, everything is a total mayhem. So many turn of events, so many comedy scenes, so many epic strategies to get out of the prison. It's just unbelievable. The anime is taken the adult comedy to the next level. A little warning: please don't watch it with the family. It's pure adult based comedy and it's very very funny. Let's go to the next. That is Hataruku Mao-sama. Hataruku Mao-sama. That is the devil is a part-timer. We have another comedy on the list. Anime has a pretty good comedy scenes. Story wise it doesn't have much. Pretty easy and understandable. The Demon King Satan seeks to conquer the world of Entei by seizing its 4 continents with the help of the Demon General. After being confronted by the hero Emilia and her companions after they had killed 2 demon generals, Satan and Alicia escape the world of Entei through the gate to the modern Tokyo, Japan. However, due to lack of magic in the modern contemporary world, both Satan and Alicia change into the form representing what they would look like if they were human. In order to survive, Satan takes a part-time job in a fast food restaurant while Alicia serves as a houseman. One day Satan, who now goes by Sado Mao, meets a girl who is actually Emilia in form of Emi Yusa. The story then unfolds and explores the personalities of each of the characters and their moral values. More characters shows up from Entei and they too faces the new world dilemma, often comical. Satan had a change of heart. His view toward humans and friends had changed a lot after coming to the human world because of the hardworking part of his part-time job. The end goal of his is to conquer Entei one way or another. How he's going to do that, I have no idea. It does have the aspect of OP character from time to time. It's a pretty good comedy anime. I love it and it should have a second season.
さすが B 級期待通り感謝するぞルシフェルようやくこの姿に戻ることができた
Next is God Eater. I would definitely say there are few animes in my list that I have watched really late. I mean, there are animes those are in my watch list for years, and when I finally watch them, I regret it a lot. I often ask this question to me: why did I delay it so much to watch it? This is just one of those anime. Anime was released in 2015 and till to date, that is 2020, there is no second season for this one. God Eater has all aspects covered, from super cool MC, reckless moments, badass moments, a surprising turn of events, sad moments, nail biting moments, I mean everything, except for the animation. It has 3D animation. I don't like it much. I'm not against it, but I'm not in favor of trying to bring anime characters as real. Because of the 3D animation, most of the good scenes happens in dark, so it puts just too much stress on your eyes to concentrate. As for the story, the world has mostly destroyed by the mysterious creatures called Aragami. An organization known as Ferrier was made to exterminate Aragami using God Art, weapon made from Aragami cells. Those who specialize in exterminating Aragami are known as God Eaters. Their God Arts originally could only keep a single form. However, new type has been discovered that can switch between gums and blades. Since then, they have been classified as the new types and previous ones are called as old type. Anime follows the main character and his team in the adventure of eliminating all the Aragamis from the world. Pretty good story. It should have a second season. Well, last on my list is Gekkan Shoujo Nozaki-ku. Simple comedy anime. It's a pure funny anime. I really like it. It doesn't have a much story. It's simple comedy anime. It's just funny. A high school student, Chio Sakura, has crush on schoolmate Nozaki, but every time she tries to confess her love towards Nozaki, some other thing happen. It's just a comedy scene. Every time she thinks she is going to encounter a romantic fantasy moment, it's just another comical moment. There are a lot of moments in this anime like this.
ちょっと待って、これってもしかして相合い傘じゃない？どうしよう、周りから見たらカップルに見えちゃったりするのかな。なんちゃってハマってる。
ハマってるな。さくら、風。
Is just too awesome. Later on, Chio discovers Nozaki is actually world-renowned shoujo manga artist named as Sakiko Yumeno. She then agrees to be his assistant in order to get closer to him. As they work on his manga, they encounter other schoolmates who assist them or serves as an inspiration for the character in the stories. I would like to see a next season just because how much comical it is. This one doesn't have any story behind it, just a girl tries to confess his love towards the guy. That's all. These animes are not in any particular order like I said in the start of the video. I would really love to have any of them have a next season. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Do let me know in the comment section below how do you like this video, which anime or manga you want me to cover next. Do subscribe for more anime stuff. Bye bye.